today's session discuss chemical calculation unit 1 limiting reagents. So some equations, some chemical reactions, very important, the reactant and product. What is meant by reactant quantity is based on the stoichiometric equation before class discuss. So carried out of the using non-stoichiometric quantities is called reactant based. The product yield with determine the reactant of completely consumed. So what is meant by limiting reagent? Limits is the further react from taking place is called limiting reagents, and others is a excess reagent. So example, 1 mole of sulfur, 3 mole of fluorine to give the product if 1 mole of sulfur hexafluorides. So 3 mole of sulfur hexafluoride give the taking the reactant part 3 mole of sulfur and 3 into 3 9 mole of fluorine and give the product is 3 mole of sulfur hexafluoride. So 3 into 1 3 is also completely reacted with the sulfur is a 3 mole is a sulfur is limiting reagent. Compared to that fluorine, that is excess of fluorine is called is a 9 mole of fluorine, remaining is also based on that reactant part the based 3 mole is excess in reactant part is a based very important of 12 mole of fluorine is a reacted. So excess of fluorine is called excess reagent, do not react in the another function is called limiting reagent. Next discuss redox reaction. Redox reaction. So redox reaction means oxidation and reduction. Before one class discuss. So oxidation means loss of electrons and is the charge is positive charge. Reduction means gain of electron, the charge is negative charge. Another one important, addition of oxygen, removal of hydrogen. Here reduction, addition of hydrogen, removal of oxygen. So example like that. So Fe2 plus ion, again one electrons lost, the oxidation state will be increased is the Fe3 plus is the loss of electrons. So copper 2 plus gain of 2 electrons. So copper aqueous state will be product, so gain of electrons. So oxidation number how to will be calculated. So oxidation state of free state elements, hydrogen diatomic molecules is a diatomic chlorine atom was the oxidation state is called 0. Compared to the monoatomic atom, oxidation state is the sodium atomic number 11. Atomic number 11 is the 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1 is the outermost subcell, 1 electrons loss possible is a +1 oxidation state. And compared to the chlorine will be that chlorine atomic number 17, the remaining same 2p6, 3s2, 3p5, 1 electrons gain possibles of in the outermost subcell, so -1 is the chlorine atom. So compare the fluorine, chlorine, bromine is a 1 electron gain negative energy, so -1 oxidation state. Sodium is compared positive 1 +1 oxidation state. Hydrogen oxidation state will be calculated. Hydrogen oxidation number is +1 except metal hydride. Example like that, hydrogen chloride is a H is a X used, chlorine is already -1 apply, so -1 RHS side is the hydrogen is a +1 oxidation state. Something like the metal hydride, metal means sodium hydride, sodium is a +1 oxidation state, hydrogen is X, the 1 is RHS side is a -1 oxidation state. Next we will be compare same like that important fluorine and oxidation state of oxygen atom. So most of oxidation state compound in oxygen atom is -2. Peroxide is the -1. Superoxide is a -2. How to the apply for one example? Most of a compound example like that water is a hydrogen oxide, dihydrogen oxide, 2 times of hydrogen oxidation state +1. So 2 into plus 1, oxygen is X equal to 0. So 2 plus X equal to 0, 2 is RHS side, X equal to minus 2. Hydrogen peroxide, H2O2 means hydrogen peroxide. So 2 into plus 1, 2 times of oxide atom, so 2X equal to 0. So 2 plus 2X equal to 0, 2X equal to 2 is RHS side minus 2 by 2, X equal to minus 1. So peroxide is a minus 1 oxidation state. Superoxides. So potassium dioxide is a potassium is a monoatomic atom. 1 electrons will be lost. So 1 into plus 1 plus 2X equal to 0. 1 will be RHS side, 2S equal to minus 1, X equal to minus 1 by 2. Compared to the fluoride, oxygen difluorides, oxygen is a X plus 2 times of fluorine in the oxidation state minus 1. So X minus 2, X equal to plus 2 oxidation state of oxygen difluorides. Calculating oxidation state of some metal, chromium, example given complex Cr2O7, gain of electrons minus 2. So chromium oxidation state will be calculated. So Cr equal to X, given the formulas Cr2O7 minus 2. So 2 into X, 7 into oxidation state, most of compound minus 2, equal to the power of gain of electrons value RHS side minus 2. So 2X, 7 into minus 2, minus 14 equal to minus 2. So minus 14 RHS side plus 14, 2X equal to plus 12, X equal to 12 by 2 is a plus 6 oxidation state in the chromium. Next, what is meant by the redox reactions? That the same chemical reaction, reduction and oxidation possibles is called redox reaction. So next we will be discuss type of redox reactions. So already discussed what is meant by redox reaction. The chemical reaction, same reduction and oxidation possibles. So oxidation is the type of redox reaction discussed. So 5 types, major types is the combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, the subdivision of displacement, metal displacement, non-metal displacement, and disproportional reaction. Finally, competitive electron transfer reaction. Combination reaction, the simple clue word, so single compound will be formed. This is a combination reaction. So example, carbon and oxygen molecule. So oxygen, carbon oxidation number 0, oxygen oxidation number 0, but to give the product carbon dioxide, carbon oxidation state plus 4 electrons will be lost, gain of oxygen, carbon dioxide, oxygen atom oxidation state minus 2. So 0 to plus is a oxidation state, is plus 4 mention of oxidation. So minus 2 is a reduction. So what is the carbon dioxide? Carbon is mentioned to X, oxygen plus 2 into minus 2 equal to 0. So X equal to X minus 4 equal to 0, X equal to plus 4 oxidation state of carbon. So oxygen is a minus 2 already known. So that electron will be gain of oxygen means reduction, carbon is lost, so oxidation is the product part, carbon dioxide. Same like that, the decomposition reaction, the 1 or 2 more component break down into 2 or more components. Example, potassium chloride will be decomposes in potassium chloride and oxygen atom. So oxygen in electrons gain lost of the molecule form of oxygen atom, so oxidation. Chlorine is electrons will be gained in the potassium chlorine atom, so reduction. And next discuss displacement reaction, 2 types, metal displacement, non-metal displacement. So already you will be 10th standard studied A, B plus C, A and BC will be formed. So oxidation state will be calculated yourself. So already copper 2 plus oxidation state and give the liquid state to aqueous state to solid state change is a reduction. So metal, zinc metal, liquid state will be formed is a oxidation. So natural state in the form of oxidation state plus 2, 0 to plus 2 is called oxidation state. And non-metals is a zinc is also metal, so reactant part hydrochloric acid will be non-metal, so will be reacted from the product is a non-metal liquid compound. The zinc chloride will be salt is produced. Zinc 0 oxidation state to plus 2 electrons will be lost is a oxidation. Hydrogen is a gain of 1 electrons is called reduction. Next, very important, disproportional reaction. So oxidation state, one and same element both increase or decrease. Example, consider hydrogen peroxide. Here also oxygen atom minus 1. Some to give the product water molecule and oxygen, same oxide atom is here plus minus 2 is a reduction oxide atom. So reductions increasing of oxidation state, and the next oxygen molecule decreasing of oxidation state is the oxidation number is 0, is also same decrease and increase process is the same chemical compound is a hydrogen peroxide is disproportional reaction. And next will be commutative electron transfer. Already discussed the same metal displacement reaction is the electron transfer reaction. So depth discussed for 12th standard. So oxidation reduction same. So metal will be displacement position is called commutative electron transfer reaction. So commutative electron transfer, the metal displacement energy increasing of silver to copper, copper to zinc. Thank you, students.